Iraq economic news and points to ponder, Thursday afternoon, June 27, 24. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Will gold reach $3,000 per ounce soon? Money and business economy news. Follow-up recent analysis by Bank of America shows that gold prices could rise to $3,000 per ounce over the next 12 to 18 months. The investment bank noted that in 2023, investor demand for gold increased significantly. The accumulation of private bullion and their purchase by central banks accounted for 49% and 43% of purchases, respectively. However, leveraged ETFs such as the SPDR Gold Trust have seen a decline in assets under management, slowing aggregate demand growth. Central bank purchases remain a crucial factor in supporting gold prices. While the latest survey conducted by the World Gold Council indicates the continued need for gold among monetary authorities. Iraq sells 104 million barrels of oil during May. The Ministry of Oil revealed, today, Thursday, the proceeds of Iraq's oil exports during the month of May. The ministry stated in a brief statement received by Mawazin News that the total oil exports achieved for the month of May, according to the final statistics issued by the Iraqi oil marketing company, SOMO, amounted to 104,130,292 barrels. Oil prices fell due to fears of a slowdown in demand. Oil prices fell in early Asian trading, Thursday, after a sudden increase in U.S. inventories reinforced fears of a slowdown in demand in the largest oil consumer. But concern that any possible expansion of the Gaza war could disrupt Middle East supplies limited the declines. Brent crude futures fell 30 cents, or 0.4%, to $84.17 per barrel by 0028 GMT. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures also fell 32 cents, or 0.4%, to $80.58 per barrel. The two benchmarks had recorded a slight increase at settlement yesterday, Wednesday. The U.S. Energy Information Administration announced that the country's crude oil inventories rose by 3.6 million barrels last week, which surprised analysts polled by Reuters who expected a decline of 2.9 million barrels. Gasoline stocks in the United States also increased by 2.7 million barrels, compared to analysts' expectations of a decrease of 1 million barrels. In the Middle East, escalating cross-border tensions between Israel and the Lebanese Hezbollah group in recent weeks have exacerbated fears of an all-out war between Israel and Hezbollah. Dollar prices against the dinar in the markets now. The exchange rates of the dollar against the dinar witnessed a slight decline in the markets today, Thursday. Selling prices in banking shops decreased in the local markets in Baghdad to 148,000 dinars, while purchasing prices reached 146,500 dinars for every $100. As for Kurdistan, selling prices reached 147,000 dinars, while purchasing prices were 146,500 for every $100. How much did the central bank sell for the dollar at today's auction? The Central Bank of Iraq revealed, today, Thursday, its sales of the dollar in the currency auction. According to the bank's data, the total internal cash withdrawals amounted to $25,580,000. While the total amounts of transfers abroad, which include transfers and credits, amounted to $250,418,667, while the total sale amounted to $275,998,667. Listen to the full version on the official dinarreport.com website and become our supporter on Patreon. Source: Dinar Recaps.